Hi guys, it's Mijan here. So today I decided to do thrift flipping. So I have two clothes that I wanted to flip. Okay, so the first one is this skirt. Okay, this skirt. So I will put the before picture this skirt on the dummy, so later you will see this skirt. Okay, I wanted to flip this skirt because this one, the printed, is so freaking nice and I wanted to shorten it. Okay, and then the other one is this shirt, like this button up, like yes, this button up shirt. I want to crop this one so it's more like shorter like this. Okay, so I will bring you guys to this process of me doing this, and yeah, let's start. So this is the before, so you can see it's a bit like long, so I wanted to crop it here so it's more like in the west, like this, more higher than this one, because this one is look more long. And then I can do like two-piece set, like this one for the top and this one for the skirt, just yeah, but I don't think so because this one is a bit short. So yeah, okay, so this is how it's look like on Damir. Yeah, okay, so this skirt I wanted to cut this skirt more short and get rid of this sheer black sheer fabric, because as you can tell this one is already like, yeah, it's ripped and I just want this one. Okay, so maybe the top, this the black sheer we can do something, but I don't know what we can do with it, but I want this printed like this skirt on. I already marked this one with safety pin, so this is as a guide for me to cut the top. So make sure it's flat and doesn't have that, yeah, that. Okay, this one. Okay, I already marked this one, so this is the seam allowance. So this is the part that I need to fold before after this. So the seam allowance is like 1 inch here, so I will cut it here with my scissor. Sure, you can cut the first pieces, the top pieces, the top pieces first. Okay, like that, and then the second one like that. So it's already finished like this one, so you can let it be like this, or you can fold and just sew these edges, so it's more, what do you call this, more clean and look kemas. What is kemas in English? I don't know what is kemas. I don't know, I forgot. Kemas lah, it's more kemas. Alright, so you have to sew in this first. Okay, for this skirt, you have to cut this part, this thread here. I know a lot of people doesn't like doing this part, like this seam ripper. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the things now, we have to open this, get rid of this overlock. Okay, overlock thread. So I like to take this one, this part, these two lines here, because when you pull this one, you can get rid everything in once. Okay, so let's see how. See, just like that. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, I pull these two thread, this thread, and yeah, just like that. It's pretty. The other one, so you can see the magic happen. See, just like that. Okay, so it's already open. So okay, I will do the rest and I will get back to you guys later. Okay, so now I already get rid of this waistband and attach the waistband from this one. So I have to change this because this is so old and it's so shabby, like as you can tell. So I have another one, the new one. Yeah, so I will attach this one here and will sew this. We'll finish the edges, like the seam allowance here, the edge of this fabric, so it's look nice and clean. So we are all done. Let's go sew this waistband first. Okay, to attach this waistband here, you just have to like attach in here like this first, and then we will turn it over so it will be the inside like this. Okay, so I hope this clear, and this is so easy, you guys can do it. Just like that, and you put this thing inside. So like that, just like this, we are done. I have to attach this one and the other side and this one here, so it will not moving. Let's finish this. Okay, so we are done. Just like that, we finish this skirt, and then I wanted to kemaskan this one so it's not that messy. So yeah, I will just sew this edges like that. Okay, so you can see this is already cropped and the skirt is already done, and yeah, that is how it's look like. Yes, this is the skirt. It's more look nice than before. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and as you can see, this is the final look, and yeah, I really like it, and this is so much easy to do, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys again. Bye. Paring konangan.